Hi, welcome to another lecture. In this video, we'll be creating two-dimensional stickers using Spark Studio. Okay, so first make sure you have already downloaded the assets from this lecture. If not, feel free to pause the video and come back. Okay, so to get started, let's just open up Spark Studio and hit for the 2D stickers. Now, as you can see, we have several things already in the assets window. And we have quick instruction that Spark provides us in order to understand how to use this template in our own assets, like so. Moreover, as you can see, the scene already including the stickers that are already imported for just a quick demo by Spark AR. And even you can use the simulator to check how this filter acts and how you can manipulate it, like so. So you can pick just the option 2 and 3 and see how it changed. Moreover, we can see that the patch editor is full of information with a lot of logical stuff that the filter is using for moving the stickers up and down with cool animation. As you can see in the simulator and in the scene, like so. From bring our own assets, please just take a look at the assets window. There are 3 objects that including the name replace me 0, replace me 1, and replace me 2. As you can probably understand, we are going to replace this object with our asset. So just let's right click on this replace me 0 and hit for replace. Just let's navigate for our assets folder and pick for the Pokemon.png. Now let's do the same thing for replace me 1 with Yu-Gi-Oh! And replace me 2 as well for the Dragon Ball Z. Okay, so let's just see in the simulator that if we change these options, our own assets are showing up. So for example, you can just upload these stickers to the Instagram and ask your followers what is the best anime and choose your favorite sticker. As you can see, we have here the options like icon 1, 2, and 3, which is represent these options. So we can just replace these options as well according to our selection. For stickers, number 1 is the Pokemon, so it's going to change the stickers to this one. We can also do it for icon 2 and 3 as well. Like so. So the user are now able to understand what is the purpose of each one of these options. You can click on it and it's going to render the stickers above each one of these options. And now you can just click on here and simulate a touch, like the user is touching the stickers. So for now, Instagram Spark AR is just enable us to just simulate a touch, not rotation and not a pitch for a scale down or up. But it's okay for now. We can also test it in our device. We will see how to do it in the end of the video. Okay, so another thing is the patch editor that I talked a lot about it. So it's now the time to see what is the patch editor and how we can use it. Okay, so we have here the plane finder, which is when the camera of the phone is detect for surface. So it's going to detect the plane, and here we have the screen tap, that is this simulate touch that I already showed you. So if we just go to the end of this structure over here, we will find 3 components in yellow, that we have the position, rotation, and scale. So if we just observe this component, and we're going to move the object around, the stickers. So as we can see, the X and the Z axis are changed accordingly to the sticker's position. And this is how it's work when we drag and drop stickers around this area or scene. And the same logic is for the rotation and the scale, so we can just remove each one of them or all of them if we want to enable or disable these options. One more thing is the block instance that his role is to handle the up and down animation, as you can see over here. So we can just disable it by delete this component, and now as you can see the model is still and staying in the same place, but we can just bring it back like using Ctrl Z or clicking for the looping anim block, and as you can see the position is unmarked, the scale and the rotation are already marked, so we can just select for the position, and in the block instance we can check the position by have a relationship between the loop anim position and the block position as well. For now it's not relevant and important how we can create our own logic in the patch editor, because it's a lot of information and a lot of very intensive hard work. So just for now we can just enable or disable these options. This is also including JavaScript code that we can get this up and down animation much more faster or slower, but this is cool for now. As you can see, we now just can test it on our device, so let's just hit the test on device, send to app, and you probably might in the first time just need to sign up for Facebook or Instagram account, but don't worry, just do it and it will be fine. So we can just send it to Instagram camera and wait for exporting the file and upload it to Spark AR Hub. So when it's finished, you can just go to your Instagram account and select for activity, and you see the filter over here to preview. And you can also, it's going to provide you a URL link that you can just send it to yourself or send it to your friends in order to maximum 200 views. So we can copy it and send it by WhatsApp or Telegram and so on to your friend or to you in order to test it. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed to create your second filter in this tutorial, the two-dimensional stickers. So it's all for now. I'll see you in the next lecture.